We're taping. Hey, Cole. Hey, Cole. Hi, Mr. Milkface. Did you just have a bath? Are those mommy's shoes? Did we go in the snow today? Yeah. Can you dance? Do you hear music? Can you dance for us? Is that a shoe for mommy? Thank you. Can you bring me the other one? Of course. Oh, wow. 2 shoes for mommy. Thank you. Cole, let's dance. Can you dance? Dancing? Can you dance? Or are you just going to laugh at mommy dancing? You like your pajamas? Are those your pajamas? No, you like mommy's shoes. You gonna dance? Dancing babies, dancing babies, dance. There you go. That was a little shimmy. Can you dance for mommy? Oh, we'll play the music. Here. Ooh, we dropped him. Dancing! Oh yeah, look at you dancing. Good job. Woohoo! Good job, Cole. You're funny. Really? Are those buttons? Yeah? Alright. You can say goodbye to Grandma and Grandpa and everybody? Bye-bye. Alright. Bye-bye. Alright, good job.